I'm gonna do a quick video, a quick DIY. My girls, they are so loud, first of all, but when we have new paintbrushes, they think the old ones automatically, they just toss them out. So today I want to show you how to reuse your paintbrushes and make them brand new. So first of all, we have a sanding block. We just nicely sand down the old paint on the paintbrush. So just to scratch it off really good. Here we go. Voila. Then I typically just use a little bit of golden, silver, or my personal fave, voila, pink. These are duct tapes, but bougie. And so sometimes your paintbrushes will be like this. And as you can see, the paint is completely stripping off. So here we go. This is what it's gonna look like. Uh-oh. Let's do that again. New paintbrush. Golden. So we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping our paintbrushes. Maybe we could make this one pink.